Om Namah Shivaya, Om Amriteshwari Namah. Today I, Naveen Kumar of class 10A, is going to give a short lesson on the topic heart. We know that blood transports food, oxygen and carbon dioxide and other waste materials in our body. Blood contains plasma which transports food, carbon dioxide and other nitrogenous wastes. Oxygen is transported by red blood corpuscles, and other materials like salts are also transported by blood. Thus, we need an organ for pressurizing the blood so that blood can reach all the parts of the body. The organ for pumping the blood is present in our body, that is heart. The heart is also known as pump of our body. It is a muscular organ which is as big as our fist. We know that both oxygen and carbon dioxide are transported by blood. So, for preventing the oxygen rich blood from mixing with the blood containing carbon dioxide, the heart has different chambers, and both the blood containing oxygen and carbon dioxide are pumped by the different chambers of heart. The carbon dioxide rich blood has to reach lungs for the removal of carbon dioxide, and oxygen rich blood has to be brought back from the lungs to the heart so that the oxygen rich blood is pumped throughout the body. Now let's see the process how oxygen rich blood is transported from lungs to the heart. Oxygen rich blood comes from lungs to the left chamber of the heart, which is known as left atrium. When it is collecting this blood, the left atrium relaxes. Then while the next chamber left ventricle relaxes so that the blood is transferred to it. When the left ventricle contracts, then the blood is pumped throughout the body. This we have seen that how oxygen rich blood is transported. Now let us see how deoxygenated blood is transported from heart to lungs. Deoxygenated blood comes from the body to the upper right chamber of heart, which is right atrium. When the right atrium relaxes, deoxygenated blood is collected. When it contracts, this blood is transferred to the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, then this blood is pumped to the lungs. So the right ventricle and the left ventricle pumps the blood into various organs, and they have thicker muscular walls than the atria. And the valves ensure that the blood does not flow backward when the atria or ventricles contracts. This is the diagram of heart. Here we can see the different chambers and different parts of the heart is given. This is the left atrium, the left part of heart. Here only the oxygen rich blood enters from lungs, and then it is transferred to the left ventricle. The left ventricle pumps the oxygen rich blood to the rest of the body part. And this is the right part of heart, the right atrium. Here only the deoxygenated blood enters from the body to right atrium, and then it passes to right ventricle, and then right ventricle pumps the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. And this is the septum, the dividing wall which divides the heart into chambers. This is the right chamber and this is the left chamber. So this is all about heart. Thanks for watching my video and for giving your valuable time. Thank you.